What's up guys, I'm Eric James with Roaming Romances, and in this video I'm going to tell you about how I quit my high-paying 9-to-5 job and left behind the cubicle grind and started traveling the world while making money online. But this isn't just about me, this is about what is possible for you. You see, I was sold a dream from my parents and grandparents, and it wasn't a malicious dream because it is actually what had worked for them in their time, which was to go to college, get a degree, land a high-paying IT job, and then everything will work out. Women will want to date you, life will be good, and you'll be a catch, and you'll be happy, and you'll live happily ever after. Well, I did all that. I got the degree, I landed the job, I was pulling in good money, I got my own bachelor pad. But after 6 years, I was completely miserable, and I thought I was stuck, sentenced to another 40 more years in a cubicle. Wow. Until I could finally retire at the age of 65 and then start to travel and live the dream. And I was living for the weekends and my 2 weeks of vacation per year. And the funny thing is now I don't have any weekends. Every day feels like a Monday, or maybe every day feels like a Saturday. It all feels the same because I work every day, because that's what happens when you actually like what you do. And the women back then, they weren't lining up. I couldn't even find a girlfriend back then. I mean, I could have settled, but I'm not the settling type. It was like I had done everything right up to that point, as I was taught to do, and still ended up being stuck in the 9-to-5 in a miserable existence. But then there was this moment. I remember staring at my computer screen, completely burned out, and asking myself, what if nothing changes? Well, then nothing will ever change. What if this is just it? This is the existence that I'm sentenced to. And that scared the hell out of me. So I asked a different question. If I could really do anything, what would I be doing? Where would I be? Who would I be with? And the answer rung clear as day. I would be overseas. I'd be exploring new cultures. I'd be dating amazing foreign women. I'd have total freedom to work on what I want, when I want, where I want, with no bosses, no alarm clocks, and definitely no beige cubicles. But here's the thing, that dream felt so far away from my current reality, and the fear was real. What would people think? You know, my mom wanted me to play it safe. My friends thought I was crazy to walk away from a stable job with all those benefits. I didn't have all the answers either. Just a gut feeling that there had to be more. But I didn't quit overnight. I started planning, researching, saving. I learned about making money online income, maximizing your money with geographical location changes, and how living overseas in places like Vietnam, Thailand, Philippines, Dominican Republic, Colombia, Kenya can cut your expenses in half or more. I started side hustling, learning about blogging and YouTube, social media, testing different ways to make money online with affiliate marketing and digital products. At the same time, I cut back my expenses. I started stacking cash. I paid off my debt. I started living with mom. I stayed with grandma for lengthy periods of time. I learned to take seasonal jobs with sabbatical breaks. I would travel for 1 month, and the next time 3 months, and then 6 months, until eventually I bought that one-way ticket. But I still have a job back home waiting for me if I choose. It'll eventually expire. But the mental hurdle is bigger than the actual strategic hurdle, in my opinion. Is it scary? Yes. Uncertainty? Absolutely. Is it worth it? 1,000%. Because now I wake up where I want, work how I want, when I want, and live life on my own terms. And the best book for this is probably the Tim Ferriss 4-Hour Workweek. I'll put a link to that book in the description. That book definitely changed my life. If you can learn to live on dollars and earn on pesos, that's the golden ticket. But I get it. Dating overseas for most single Western men is probably the biggest draw. Dating out in Southeast Asia or Latin America or Africa, it's totally different. And I'm not talking about the pay for play or weird arrangements. I mean genuine, feminine, kind women who actually value relationships and value men. And that's the key, is to separate yourself from those 1 week vacation guys to the guys that actually do this in a longer, more sustainable way. But yeah, the path out of the 9-to-5 isn't easy. There's a million little voices telling you different things. Now this video is part of a playlist that I'm going to be making and adding to over the next few years about kind of the financial side, because I do think that's the #1 obstacle holding most men back from traveling and living abroad. So I also created a free guide called the 7 Financial Paths to Travel the World with actionable steps to get started. The link is down in the description. Grab it for free and get on the path. And please, if you haven't, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon in the next video. Ciao.